Nationwide Series heads north to Montreal on ESPN at 2 o'clock Eastern Time in the afternoon. You know, this race really was 2 cautions for 5 laps. You would think it was drama-free until the very last lap of the race. A couple of issues between teammates, Jason Leffler and James Buescher. Let's take a look at what happened. I want to get your take on this. Here we are coming out through turn 7.
Well, you just see James Buescher just get right in the back of Leffler and just spin around. And they both get in the wall, tear their cars all up, and these are all teammates. We saw the 30, the 32, and the 38, all Steve Turner cars. Just take a look, Brad, getting in there.
Yeah, they were racing really hard, James Buescher and Jason Leffler, obviously. Jason gets by Buescher right here. Buescher's going to run him hard, try to beat him down into the corner. Looks like Leffler comes across the front of his nose, and he doesn't give him a break, and round he goes.
Buescher finished 17th. Jason Leffler finished 18th. Reed Sorensen got the better end of that. But let's figure out what James Buescher had to say. Here he is with Vince.
The last times James Buescher had been in the race car was at Indianapolis and brought it home in second. Didn't have that kind of day today. And then at the end, give us an understanding of what was going on there with the 38.
Well, first of all,